Whose milk is this? Whose milk is it? Huh? It's Noah milk, right? Okay. Go and get your blanket. Where is your blanket? Get your blanket first. Get out. Huh? Where is the blanket? Oh, over there. Your blanket, right? Which one? Which one is your blanket? The one is black and white, right? Yeah. Can you pull it out? Pull. Yes. Good job. Come here. Oh. Are you ready to drink your milk here? Here. Whose milk is this? It's not a milk, right? Can you count 1 to 10, please? Let's count 1 to 10 first. Ready? Ready? 1, 2.